Right now, at least somewhere around here, there's a Tesla and it's going through an automatic car wash with its wipers flailing around like a drunk guy fighting off bees. And the owner is about to learn a very expensive lesson that I'm going to teach you for free. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. So, Teslas have this thing called car wash mode. And when I first heard that, my honest reaction was, what? Why? No other car I've ever owned needed a special mode to go through the car wash. My old Honda went through car washes for 15 years and never once asked me to prepare for it emotionally. I mean, think about it. Going through a car wash is basically like driving through a really aggressive rainstorm, right? There's water, wind, and then you're done. So what is this mode actually doing? Is it closing vents? Is it shutting off sensors? Is the car just bracing itself for the cold water? Ooh, my nips are getting a little hard. That's what I wanted to know. So I dug into it, and it turns out the answer is actually pretty interesting. Because it tells you a lot about what happens when your car is less car and more laptop with cup holders included. Here's the thing. A Tesla is absolutely covered in sensors and cameras and little automated features that are constantly making decisions for you. And that's great right up until you drive into a building specifically designed to slap it around with a giant spinning brush, because your Tesla doesn't know it's at a car wash. Your Tesla thinks it's being attacked, which it also could be, and in this day and age, it's happening a lot. But let's start with the wipers. Teslas have automatic rain-sensing wipers. Water hits the windshield, wipers turn on. Simple, totally fetch. Except in a car wash, those big soft felt strips come down and drag across your windshield. The car senses that moisture and the wipers start going at it directly into the strips. And now your wiper arms are all tangled up in the car wash fabric like a cat in a curtain. And the best case scenario is that they just get bent. And the worst case scenario is that they get ripped clean off and your car tried to help you and it helped itself right back to the service center. And then there's the charge port, that little door on the back. It's the whole reason the car exists. It's how your Tesla eats. Anyway, a spinning brush pushing against it can pop that door right open mid-wash. So now you've got soap and high pressure water blasting into the electrical port of your electric car. Listen, I'm not an engineer, but I'm pretty sure that water being squirted into the electric port isn't really supposed to be the way it works. Anyway, I checked and it's in the manual as a warning too. And here's where it gets truly ridiculous. Sentry Mode. That's the security system where the cameras record anything suspicious near your car, like a big Asian guy looking through the window being like, ooh, this looks nice. Well, guess what looks suspicious to a paranoid robot? Giant rotating brushes closing in on you from every direction. Without car wash mode, your Tesla just sits there recording the entire car wash like it's collecting evidence for an eventual trial. Filming that brush like, hey, I want this on the record, Your Honor. This brush came up and touched me in very inappropriate ways. People have done that to me too, but I usually don't threaten them. I'm like, take your time. But the sneaky one here, the one that can actually get you dragged, is what happens on a conveyor belt wash. You know, the kind where the track pulls your car along and you're just supposed to be in neutral, foot off the brake, hands off, like you're about to take off in a fighter jet off an aircraft carrier deck. Anyway, a Tesla has this feature where if you take your foot off of things and get out of the seat, it shifts itself into park and sets the brake. It's very safe for a parking lot, but in a car wash, it means your car can slam itself into park while a conveyor belt is actively trying to drag it forward. That's not a car wash anymore. That's a tug of war between a machine and a machine that's probably a lot stronger than your Tesla. Anyway, you could end up being the idiot in the middle who has to pay a lot of money to get that fixed. So car wash mode is basically Tesla admitting, yeah, our car is a little too smart for its own good, and there's just an off switch so that you don't have to deal with that. One tap and it closes all the windows, locks the charge port door, kills the auto wipers, shuts off Sentry Mode, disables the walking away locking, and even silences the parking sensor so the car isn't beeping at you the entire time that you're going through the wash. Anyway, newer software will even yell at you if a window somehow opens mid-wash, which apparently is nice because the spraying water won't alert you as well. But anyway, there's a button called free roll that puts the car neutral and keeps it there, so the car physically cannot panic shift itself into park while the belt is pulling on it. On the fancier models with the air suspension, it'll even squat down a little so the brushes can reach the roof, which honestly is the most cooperation a Tesla will ever give you. Now here's the part that made me sit up, at least for a brief moment, and work on my posture. If you skip car wash mode and something gets wrecked, wipers, charge port, whatever, Tesla's warranty doesn't cover it. That's straight out of the owner's manual. damage caused by car washes are not covered. So this isn't some cute optional feature like dog mode or fart noises. This is a use it or you'll pay us when we have to fix it situation. Tesla put a $40,000 computer on wheels and then said, hey, by the way, water damage from washing it, that's your problem. Bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see how it plays out. And by the way, when I said no other car has this, I was actually wrong. Just FYI, Rivian has a car wash mode too. It makes sense, same problem, pop-out door handles and all that jazz. Even BMW has a stripped-down version on some models, so this is becoming a whole category among EVs. The smarter cars get, the more they need to be told what to do. They need to be told, hey, just breathe. It's a bath. It's like taking a toddler and putting them in the shower. Anyway, it probably means that pothole mode and road rage mode and driving in Michigan roads mode is coming soon too, because I guess cars can't figure that out. Anyway, there's one last tip. If you own one of these things, car wash mode isn't to turn itself off when you're done. You either tap exit or just drive off. Once you get moving past 9 miles an hour, it shuts down on its own. So don't panic that your car is still acting weird because you're in the vacuum area. That's the deal. Car wash mode isn't really some fancy new tech. It's just a checklist of bundling up of a bunch of things that Tesla wants to shut off when you go through the wash. And honestly, that's fine because you don't want to have to dig through 6 menus every time you're giving your undercarriage a little how's your father. So anyway, I'm curious, have you actually had any damage in a car wash with your Tesla? Because I haven't, but that's because I don't own a Tesla. Anyway, keep your wipers off, charge port shut, your body inside the car, and your windows rolled up, if I had to tell you that. If you did, you're dumb. Anyway, Peter Von Panda, out.